Hey everyone, it's Greenwood again with another tutorial video. This time I wanted to talk about parallel lines and their slopes because we've been talking about this in class, and I know that you probably need a little more in-depth discussion, or you need to just see it again. So we explored in the desmos activity about parallel lines, and we know they always have the same slope, okay? Any two lines that are parallel or more than that have the same exact slope. And we know the y-intercept, which is where it crosses the y-axis, that will be different because that just means the line is translated up or down from the line that you're given. And so I'll be using the graphing calculator here in just a minute to show you what that looks like. So just as a quick reminder on my post-it here, remember slope intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and then b is the y-intercept. So I'm using some color to kind of identify which piece is which now. So here's the example I'm going to have you work with. I'm going to have you write an equation of a line parallel to a given line. So here's the line I'm going to do. I'm going to do y equals 1/3 x. Let's see, plus 3, I think is what I said. Let's see if I did the right equation there. Okay, so then my slope is this 1/3. Okay, that's my rise over run. So remember, slope is rise over run. And b is my y-intercept. That's where the line crosses my my y-axis. Okay, so remember, slope is rise over run. Y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Okay, those are just a couple good important things to remember that are from Algebra 1 last year. You did them in probably 7th and 8th grade just a little bit, but I just want to make sure we remember what those things are. So my slope is 1/3. My y-intercept is 3. So if I flip over to my graphing calculator, oh, I did -3. So let me go back here and fix that. I couldn't remember exactly what I put in there. So -3. Okay, so that minus is going to go along with that. So that whole thing -3 is my y-intercept. So back to my graphing calculator. So my task is to write the equation of a line that's parallel to this line. Well, we know the slope is the same. Here is my graph. So we rise 1 and run 1, 2, 3. So you can see that every 2 boxes is 1 whole unit. I can zoom in and change that scale if you prefer. So now every box is 1. Okay, so you can kind of see the difference here. So I know my slope has to be the same. So I'm going to say y equals 1/3 x. And so now I've already got another line here, this blue line, right? So my y-intercept is actually 0 because it's +0. So that would be the equation of a line parallel. And really my y-intercept can be anything. So if I want to shift it up 6 points, let's actually do something different. Let's do 5 points. So +2. So if I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I cross at 0, -2. That's my y-intercept. That line is parallel. Okay, let's do another one. Y equals 1/3 x, not s, x. Let's go down this time. Let's go minus, I don't know, 6. So from our original line, the red, the purple one is our new one, and it's at -6 on the y-axis. So we went down 1, 2, 3 units. Okay, so those are both parallel to my original given line. Let's do one more real fast. Let's go y equals 1/3 x. Let's go -1. Okay, so there's another one. It's up 1, 2 full units, and my y-intercept just changed. So you can see that the slopes are all the same here. The y-intercept just changes each time. And if the slope is the same, these lines will stay parallel. Okay? All right, I hope that helps you understand a little better. That's all I've got this video. And in the next video, we'll talk some more about parallel and then probably some perpendicular lines. So have a good one, and meet up with me at the help desk or a live session if you need more help. Bye.